You're going to love the 2007 Ford F-150 SuperCrew. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.